Lock in flavors and moisture with the clear tempered glass lid of the Elite Gourmet EG808 X8 non-stick electric skillet, making it ideal for frying chicken and preparing deep dish pastas. Enjoy quick and easy cleanup with the non-stick cooking surface that releases food effortlessly, simplifying mealtime with fluffy pancakes, gourmet grilled cheese sandwiches, and flavorful stir-fried veggies. The Dishwasher Safe design of this electric skillet ensures fast and easy cleanup after removing the temperature control unit, offering a thick cast aluminum body with a black lacquer finish for added resilience against rusting or warping. Simplify your kitchen routine with the ETL-listed 600-watt, 120-V electric skillet, featuring cool touch knob and handles, making it an essential and thoughtful housewarming or wedding gift for home kitchen use. Experience rapid heat up and efficient cooking with the Elite Gourmet EG808 X8 non-stick electric skillet, designed to enhance your culinary creations with convenience and style.